This is a quick demonstration of the RGO file upload automation that's been put in place to save our data team some time and effort since we upload so many files to RGO. Here we have a test animal, test one, which if we look at the files section, only has a single file, which is a kennel card from October. Go back to our test one. We also have a test user here, Rachel Test, who, if you look at the file section, has no files. Go in there just to show you we're not playing anything funny. Go back to our Rachel. Now, when you receive a invitation to the Google Drive that we use for the RG uploads, you'll get an email similar to this, which just contains a link to that drive. If we click on that link, it'll take us directly to the Google Drive folder for that houses our uploads. We can see the RG uploads folder here in our OPA cloud. In the middle, you see it says drop files here or use the new button. You can use the new button in the upper left to manually upload files if you care to, or the easiest thing to do is just to drag them into the middle. So here I have created 3 sample files, 2 of which are for our test animal. And if we scroll down here a little bit, you can see that these are both the same file. One of them has the 692 number, which is the animal ID. And one of them has the D140 number, which is our rescue ID. And this is such that the cat team who uses the animal ID and the dog team that uses the rescue ID can both use this same tool transparently. It doesn't matter which number you use in the file name, it uploads it to the right file. And we also have our Rachel test user in a foster contract file here in the drive. So we'll go to our Google Drive here. We'll take our files and we'll just drag and drop them over, drop them in here. You'll watch them upload. Now, the automation runs once every 2 hours normally. In this case, I'm going to kick it off manually to speed things along here. You can see that you might see other files in this folder as well as the other teams are using it. And again, they'll pile up for about 2 hours until the automation runs, and then that'll kick off. It'll clean them up and it will upload them. So now you can see the files here are disappearing from our view. That's because they've been uploaded to RGO and automatically removed from here. So now they're gone. We can go into our test one animal. We can go back to the file section. And now you'll see that instead of the one from October, we now have the 3 files, including those 2 files that we asked it to upload. The 2 kennel cards, one with the animal ID and one with the rescue ID. And again, going to our Rachel test user, if we go into the files here, you'll see that our foster contract uploaded successfully. And these are normal PDFs. They're whatever you want to upload. Text files, PDFs, Excel files, Word documents, whatever you want to upload, you just put either the contact's name in the file for contacts, and these can be foster contracts, these can be adoption paperwork, whatever you want, as long as the name that you put in the file matches a single name in RGO. If there are no matches, of course, it won't upload. And if there are multiple contacts with the same name, it won't upload because it doesn't know which one to use. And for the animals, of course, the foster ID and the animal ID are unique, so there will always be exactly one match as long as it's a valid animal or foster ID. Again, if it's not a valid number, it won't upload and it'll just leave it in that folder for you to go to sort out later. But that is all there is to it, to uploading files. So hopefully this will save you a little time when having to upload a lot of files. And if you have any other repetitive tasks that don't require any brain work, but just manual effort, please let me know. We're trying to do as much as we can to help the data teams be as efficient as possible, and to spend time doing things that requires their brain and that requires human thought to get stuff done instead of just the mindless automation stuff. So let me know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.